Welcome back to Smart Rider, your go-to source for the latest in motocross tech and bike reviews. Today, we're diving into the freshly launched 2025 KTM 450 SXF, and trust us, this bike is a game changer. The 2025-450 SXF keeps its 449.9cc SOHC 4-stroke engine but packs smarter power delivery. It offers two map options. Map 1 for a smooth, linear feel and Map 2 for an aggressive, hard-hitting ride. KTM's updated launch control and built-in quickshifter mean you're getting faster starts and effortless upshifts, no clutch needed. KTM redesigned the chassis for better rider comfort and improved handling. The new frame geometry makes the bike more compliant and predictable through corners. WPXACT suspension front and rear now offers tool-free adjustability, so you can dial in your settings trackside without a wrench in sight. The rider triangle has been tweaked for improved control, especially around the tank and seat junction. The seat is flatter, grippier, and more supportive for long motos. A lighter, polyamide-reinforced subframe adds stability without compromising rider feedback. Looking at the factory edition, you're in for extras like an Akrapovic slip-on exhaust, updated connectivity with the KTM Connect app, and high-end components that scream race-ready. With refined handling, updated tech, and raw performance, the 2025 KTM 450 SXF sets a new standard in the 450 class. Whether you're a weekend warrior or chasing podiums, KTM just made your decision a lot easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Smart Rider for more two-wheel insights. Ride smart, ride fast.